I'm going to show you how to build a notary brand online that speaks for you. Hey Notary Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're a notary public looking to grow your business, attract more clients, and stand out from the crowd, building a strong online brand is a non-negotiable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a notary brand online that speaks for you, even when you're not in the room. Whether you're just starting out or ready to level up, these tips will help you to stand out. Let's get into it. First things first, who are you and what do you want to be known for? Are you the go-to notary for real estate closings? The patient and dependable mobile notary for seniors? Or are you just a modern notary who makes paperwork feel super simple? You need to choose your brand personality and specialty so that everything you post online reflects that. Your brand isn't just a logo. It's your tone, your values, and your customer experiences. Here's a pro tip for you. Pick 3 brand words that describe you. For example, professional, reliable, warm. Next, you want to make sure that your online presence looks the part. This includes a professional photo of you, a branded email. Now, I'm not just talking about 123notarysue@gmail.com. You need to create a Google Workspace account. You need a Google business profile. You need a basic website or landing page that shares your services, your credentials, and how to book you. You need to have consistent handles across social media. If you're on YouTube as such and such, you need to have that same name across the social media universe. For example, Stephanie McAfee on YouTube, Stephanie McAfee on Instagram, Stephanie McAfee on Facebook, Stephanie McAfee on LinkedIn. You don't need to be everywhere. You just need to be excellent wherever you are. Content is how people get to know and trust you. You don't need to dance on TikTok unless you want to, but share things like tips on how to prep for a notarization, what to actually bring to a loan signing, behind the scenes of your day as a notary, and common mistakes to avoid. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube, whichever you're most comfortable to stay on. And most importantly, stay consistent. 1 post a week is better than 10 in a day and then disappearing. Branding isn't a one-way street. It's a relationship. You want to make sure that you engage with other notaries. You want to comment on posts, answer DMs professionally. You want to reply to reviews and thank people for those referrals. Also, don't sleep on those Facebook groups. I also have a Facebook group named the Notary Resource Room. I will put the link in the description box if you would like to join it. It's not a requirement, but it does have a lot of helpful information, especially if you're just starting out or even if you're seasoned. There's always room to grow. There's always room to learn more. Never stop learning is the biggest piece of advice that I can give you as a notary, because the laws are always changing, and that's one big thing that you always want to make sure that you stay on top of. So make sure that you are reading up on what you can do to make your notary business better. Involve yourself in those Facebook groups, local networking pages, and LinkedIn comment. Be visible and be valuable. People do business with notaries they trust and who show up regularly. One of the easiest ways to build a brand online is to let others talk about you. Ask for Google reviews after every appointment. You want to share client testimonials or kind words in your posts or stories. You can also try snapping a photo with permission at signings or events to show that you're active and in demand. When people see that others trust you, they will trust you faster. All right, so let's recap a little bit. Know your identity, set up a pro presence, create content, engage with your community, and show social proof. That's how you build a strong notary brand online. This is going to open up so many doors, build your referral base, and grow your business. And if you're a new notary and you can't figure out a game plan, click the link in the description box below to purchase my ebook, How to Start and Grow Your Notary Business. This ebook not only explains the process of being a notary, but how to actually grow your business into a profitable one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with a fellow notary. And if you want more tools on how to grow your notary business, be sure to follow me for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.